Hi, I'm Michael, and we're going to look at the extent to which dyslexia is impacting your child, and we're going to look at what you can do about that. So, if your child is telling you that their eyes are watery or sore when they're reading, or if they're telling you that their eyes are really tired from reading, then the first step is an optometrist. It's probably the case that they just need glasses. But if you've gone down that path, and if your child doesn't need glasses, then another thing that could be at play is that your child might have dyslexia. Now, having dyslexia of itself is not a disaster, but having dyslexia at a severe enough level that it's impacting their learning is a real problem. So, if the child is saying that the words are going a bit blurry, or that the writing's fading away, so it's disappearing from the page, or if your child is saying that the lines of text are sort of moving like that, or if the words are shaking, or if the words are changing colour, then we're starting to look at some fairly serious dyslexia there. Another thing to look at for your child is your child reading to the end of the line and then skipping lines? That can indicate that your child is losing their place. Now, there are things you can put in place, simple things like having your child point to the line that they're reading on, or having a ruler or a sheet of paper above the text, and your child just moves that down as they go along reading the page. Now, it may not just be the dyslexia that's impacting your child's learning. There are other things that you might need to explore. For example, it could just be a working memory issue, which basically means that our brains can keep track of a few different things at the same time, but your child may be able to keep track of less things at the same time. It could also be an anxiety issue for your child, where your child is really anxious about some things and therefore is not really able to focus on the task at hand. So, if you've gone and spent hundreds or thousands of dollars finding out that your child does have dyslexia, then that's actually just the beginning. The really important questions are, 1, to what extent does my child have dyslexia? And to what extent is it impacting their learning? And secondly, what are we going to put in place to make it so that our child can learn? Because there are plenty of children who are learning really well and who are doing well in their class who have dyslexia. There's a few things that their parents or their teachers have put in place for them, and that's what this video series is all about. So, let's get started. Let's click on some more videos. Let's find out some more important information.